Today is day 8 of 14 days of Valentine's Day. Today I'm making strawberry muffin French toast. First I'm going to make the muffin, so I'm going to add the strawberry cheesecake muffin mix to my bowl. I'm just following the directions on the back of the package and adding a half a cup of milk. And I'm just going to mix that up until everything is combined. Now I have a muffin pan with cupcake liners in it. I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out the batter, and then I'm going to bake these at 350 for 12 minutes. Muffins are baking. I'm going to get the French toast batter ready. So in my bowl I have 1 egg. Next I'm going to add a big splash of milk, then a splash of vanilla, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. I'm just going to mix that up until it's well combined. Now that the muffins are cooled, I'm going to dip each muffin into the egg mixture. Next I have a skillet on medium heat with some butter in it, and then I'm going to add the muffins into the skillet and let them cook for a few minutes. Now that it's been a few minutes, I'm going to flip the muffins over and let them cook on the other side. Also, I'm flipping the muffins on their sides to get them crispy all the way around. Next I'm serving the French toast muffins with some fresh strawberries and strawberry whipped cream. Here's an up close look of the strawberry muffin French toast.